Hello everybody. I am here to show you today how I knit sleeves on circular needles using a magic loop method. So I'm just knitting to the end of this needle here. And once I get to the end, I just drop that needle, hold the end of my working needle, and then pull on the cord to bring the stitches back on both needles. Then I turn the work, and then I'll pull the working needle out, push it like that, and then I can knit with a nice flat frontal surface here. And for me, that's really important when I'm doing color work because I don't like laddering or gaping with other magic loop techniques. So I always am mindful to kind of bring the needle through here and have it on, always on kind of three surfaces like that. I'm getting to the beginning of round, so I'll show you how I knit color work with this method. I'm going to add my second color, my contrast color. I always hold my main color in the back. And then when I'm knitting color work, I'm always stretching my work out. I'm always going to stretch it out. Sometimes I tighten up the beginning stitches just so it doesn't look a mess. I remember to always carry my working yarn in the back. I said working yarn, I meant my main color in the back. And then when I get to the end of this needle again, I work all the stitches in pattern. I hold the tip of the needle, pull the cable to bring the needle full of stitches, turn my work, pull the needle out. Now I'm mindful which colors I'm splitting here. I always want to make sure I have a few of each color on that working needle. And then I'll turn. Get my yarn in working order. And continue on in pattern. I hope that is helpful to any of you out there that are knitting, maybe your first color work sweater with sleeves. I know sleeves are kind of really annoying, especially in color work. I've tried knitting a superwash project before with color work sleeves, and I just gave up. I made that a short sleeve garment. So just know that your materials are always going to impact the level of ease or difficulty of your project. Sometimes there's things worth doing. Sometimes there's things worth not doing. But I find this woolen spun 2-ply jumper weight yarn to be excellent for color work sleeves. I love working with this type of yarn. So if you are interested, if you're interested in more content on colorwork knitting or knitting of all kinds, feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll have so much more in the works later. So I just want to thank you for watching. Take care.